Good morning. This is Giuliano from Giuliano's Garage Auto Sales, based out here in Orlando. I specialize in Chevy and GMC trucks and SUVs, mostly the GMT 800. 99% of the time GMT 800. And this is for people that don't know me yet. But yeah, and today I have a special treat for you. People that have been following me, this is my new spot, and we actually managed to put a little bar here. But I'll do a video on that later. Today I have a beautiful 2006 GMC Sierra Z71 extended cab. This thing is a beauty. It is a beauty. Very sought after truck, very hard to find, especially in this condition. So let me turn this thing around here, and I'm gonna get to the video as usual with Giuliano's Garage. Full disclosure, car dealership down here in Orlando. I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. This thing here, there's not much to say on the ugly side. But what the hell is that? Oh, okay, anyway, I already turned this thing around. So let's start with a quick walk around this thing. Very quick walk around, and then I go in depth with details of it. Dark Ming blue metallic. That's the name of the color. So this thing here, it's got a sunroof, which makes it very, very hard to find. SLT, as I told you. Let me do this. There you go. So SLT with the sunroof, fully operational sunroof. Nothing wrong with it. I have just put some lube on it as maintenance. But let's start with the paint. The paint on this truck shines really, really, really well. It's beautiful. No dings, no dents, with the exception where I'm gonna show you in a minute. But follow the video. I'm gonna try to find. This is like a reflection of it, of the paint. Beautiful condition. No dents, no dings. The paint shines and reflects really well. Front bumper, no problems at all. It's got this aftermarket grille, which is pretty cool. You can easily remove that. A couple of screws here and there, you remove this thing. So let me do another one. Tires, really, really nice tires. Cooper tires on original rims. It's got a little blemish here in the trim, which is natural for these trucks, for the age. Since I'm already here, let me show you that we have no rust. Zero rust on this truck. Of course, you do have like surface rust, which is normal. We have a tailgate. Nothing crazy going on here. This is the mat for it. This one has got a little camera here. I'll show you the upgrade that the previous owner did on it. Like I said, the truck has been running for a while. Little chip over here. Now the clear coat is starting to burn here. It's starting to burn, fade, and crack here on the top too. You see mostly when the sun hits it. You see a little a little more. Other than that, very great condition of paint. The roof here also, we have a little bit of a sun fade here on the clear coat, and starting to get a little bit here, but it's still very dark. It's not, it's gonna happen in the future. Let me see here. Nothing crazy on this side. There's a tiny little door ding here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, right there. Very small. And that's the only one I found in this truck. No rust, rocker panels. Oh yeah, and another tiny one here. You can barely see it. Like, you can even feel it. That's just me being picky, very picky. Nothing crazy going on here. Like I said, 4 new tires. Not brand new, but very decent. Very decent. Sorry. A small scratch here on the bumper. New lights. The hood is also starting to fade. It's got minor scratches. Very minor scratches. And starting to fade a little bit here. And there's some faded areas here too. Very small. So let's get to the inside of it. So this is being an SLT, it's got all the bells and whistles. I think for some reason it broke, the little latch thing here, and the previous owner probably put some screws here. That's why you have this little holes here. It's been fixed, I think, because it's here, it's sturdy. But anyway, this one has got the heated seats. They all work. It's got the power folding mirrors with the integrated what do they call it? Side mark, whatever. I'm gonna do it again. It works just fine. All the windows, they all work. No cracks in the dash. 0 cracks in the dash. Steering wheel, little to no signs of wear. All the buttons are here intact. Oh, nice. 4x4 works fine. 122,868,000 miles. Low miles for this truck. It's got a Pioneer CarPlay and Android Auto installed by the previous owner. AC works really nice, really great. It's cold. Very clean, nice truck. Let me show you the carpets. No stains or anything like that on this carpet. Very nice, very well kept truck. No rips, no tears, just a little signs of wear on the seat, which is inevitable for the age of the truck. Part of my detail process, I do full detail on these trucks, and I also do recondition of the leather. We do leather conditioning, actually. That you know, makes the leather nicer for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Anyway, back seat here, clean as a whistle. I don't think nobody ever sat on this, but I might be wrong. The carpets here, very nice and clean, no stains. Back here, Oh, even the tools are clean and nice. Very clean. It's a very clean truck. Very clean panels. This is for the guy that's very picky, you know. This truck is, if you're very picky like me, this truck is gonna suit you well, and he also runs and drives amazing. It's got Bilstein shocks all around. A little fade here by the sun. On this area is a little faded, but everything else is nice. If you see underneath here, this is the color, and this is the color, and this is a little fade. But anyway, this thing here is awesome. No rips, no tears, original leather. Has the sunroof. Headliner has been replaced at some point. Yeah, this is not the original headliner, so you don't have to worry about that. It's been done. Very nice on this side too. Heated seats for the wife or the husband, whoever buys this thing. It's really good. Let me show you this. This truck comes with a buyback guarantee by Carfax, stating that if there's anything wrong with the odometer, so you know, if it's not actual miles, or if it's like rebuilt title, or you know, that kind of stuff, salvage, it's guaranteed by Carfax. It will buy the truck back from you. This is a 3-owner truck. This is the first page of the Carfax. It's a 3-owner truck, southern truck. It was bought in Tennessee. It lived in Georgia and Florida. It's got original miles. Got the owner's manual. Got the brochure. Got the owner's manual here. 2 sets of keys on this truck. 2 sets of keys. Manual for the radio. And this is the part of the video that you want to pause, because these are all the specs. It's a true Z71. All the seats, they work. So let me show you the operation of the sunroof. There you go. It works just fine. So if you're interested in this truck or any of my other trucks, you go to www.julianosgarage.com. My Instagram is at Juliano's Garage USA. On my website, you're gonna find all the information of this truck. Over 50, 60 pictures. This video link is gonna be there. The link for this video is gonna be there. Carfax, the full Carfax is gonna be there. My phone number, and if you're interested in having this truck and you're from out of state, just give me a call. Don't worry about the distance or anything like that. Give me a call. We're gonna arrange shipping. I think I need 14.8 for this truck. You know what? I'm gonna do 14.5 for this truck. And this is a steal. 2006. Right? This is one of the most sought after truck in America nowadays. 2006. Let me turn this thing around because nobody wants to see my face. 2006, low miles, Z71, beautiful blue color, straight body, beautiful paint, clean interior, extremely clean interior, to be honest with you. Bilstein shocks, almost brand new tires. How much do you think this truck is worth? And it's got no rust. This truck is rust free. Oh, before I forget, I always forget this. Let me show you the motor. The 5.3. Quiet like a mouse. There you go. Very quiet. 5.3. Clean motor. Everything is nice and clean here. How much do you think this truck is worth? Rust-free truck like that, you know? And especially nowadays that you can find trucks. I can find trucks down here in Florida, and you won't find either. Because I do this 24/7. But anyway, give me a call. Go to my website, www.julianosgarage.com. Go on my Instagram at Juliano's Garage USA. I'm based out here in Orlando, Florida. I specialize in GMT 800 rust-free trucks. Nice trucks. Thank you very much for watching.